Hi, in this video I will show you how to check for updates on your WAHOO Elemnt BOLT cycling computer. Let's open settings. To do that, press button on the left side, then use this button page to switch screens and open device settings. Then scroll down with the button on the right side to the device info, open it, then scroll down and press check for updates. Wait a moment. And as you can see, our WAHOO Elemnt BOLT is up to date. Thank you for watching.